Alrighty guys, so today talking about this. Installed that. Alrighty. I installed that from Amazon. It's like 40 bucks, something like that, 35, I don't remember. Sticker bombed it off, so let me know what you think. But we're gonna talk about that. Let me get on the road here. Alright, so like right now I can feel it. Obviously, I still feel it in my chest because I'm on a motorcycle and that's, you know, how that works. But it's definitely not nearly as much as it would have been, you know, without this. It's like directed up around my head and my neck, which on your neck, it's not bad because you have a counterweight, which is your head. So when it's going around your neck, and your neck's round, obviously. So when it's going around your neck, it's not bad at all. Oh yeah. See, right now I don't feel anything on my chest. Man, if you guys haven't seen any of my other videos, I just did a Camaro video that I actually really like. You should go check that out. I'll put that up on the whatchamacallit here, the little iCard. And then I got a few more videos coming out after that one. I just posted that a couple days ago, and then this one will be coming out. This thing will probably come out 2 weeks from when I recorded it, because right now it is March 26 or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, you guys go check out my Camaro video and all that stuff. Very fun video to make. I love that car. I want to get an SS1LE. I don't know when. Hopefully soon. Here I can, hopefully like next year we can afford that. See what happens. If you guys keep rocking with me, here, then I can get one of those. All right, highway fun. Not any fun. This is my first time getting this really. Well, actually no. In the morning time got it up to speed a little bit. So yeah, I feel it a lot in my head, in my like when I first rode, I could feel it a lot in my head and a lot in my chest. Right now it's definitely like, I mean, when I told you I could feel it in my chest a lot, like I could feel it in my chest like a lot. Like I felt like someone was pushing me off. That's how much it was like in my chest. But right now it doesn't feel like that. I'd say it feels about like a normal fared bike. Or something like that, maybe. I've actually never ridden a fared bike at these speeds, so I wouldn't really know. But my head's still getting pushed around. The GoPro doesn't help that, but it's like directing the wind above my head. So if I go down here, it's like really sturdy and steady. Look at that water. I'm gonna miss that view, man. Especially the sunset. Could you guys just imagine like the sunset just above those trees right there, and like this orange water right there? It's freaking so nice. I'm gonna miss that a lot. Oh man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really sad about leaving. I think by this time this video comes out, it'll be like a couple days till I leave. Or actually, maybe another week till I leave until this video comes out. But, oh man, yeah, Neil's throwing they were going to surprise me with a freaking surprise barbecue, like, you know, cookout. And I was like, man, oh man, I can't get better co-workers than that. I've always been lucky and had really good co-workers, so that's just my luck, you know. I guess it's because I'm the easygoing guy, and you know, I'm not really confrontational unless there's a confrontation, and I can get confrontational, but you know, I think I'm pretty cool, and I just always had like good co-workers. I mean, I've had people that are like just straight up butt heads, but you know, that's what you get everywhere. But you know, we got only a few people that work like at Stencil Plus, and it's just I don't know how to explain it. It's really fun. I'm sad that I'm leaving them. Actually, I mean, I've only been there for, by the time I leave, it'll be 11 months, and that kind of, I mean, that sucks. But you know, it is what it is. That dude was wearing no helmet on a Gixxer. That's how Gixxer guys ride. But man, this thing feels great. I'm so glad I got this too. I just need to get it. My next purchase might be a visor here. My forearm is hurting for some reason. I feel like I might be gripping it really hard or something like that. Oh man, I'm going directly into the sun. I can't see crap, dude. Hold my hand above my damn head. I need to get, I wish I had like a little, I'm sure they make some kind of visor like that. Man, okay, that's the downside about this. Yep, downside about riding bikes and your helmets and stuff. It's got no shade, unless you can wear glasses. I think I need to get some glasses that go on my helmet. I can't see a damn thing right now. But alright guys, that's going to end this video. Definitely get this visor if you're, or not visor, you get this windscreen if you're thinking about it. Because I mean, you can get a bigger one for like touring. I think this company that starts with a P, I don't remember how to say the name, but they make these really big touring ones that stand up like right in front of your face. I just didn't like that look because I'm not going for a touring look. That's like the guys that put bags and stuff on there, whatnot. But I don't do that, so I didn't get that. And this one works just fine for, like, you know, if you're not doing long highway hauls and all that stuff, which I'm not, obviously. That was just my route. But you know, that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you when I see you.